I'm going to have a crack myself, and I was doing it maybe at home or a small industrial unit, whatever it was. Would that be a stupid thing to do? Can I do it myself?
You don't need any specialist equipment, Tim. All you need is a paddle, an electric drill.
Right.
Those two together form a system to allow you to mix part A with part B really well, so you can then pour it down, and then the only thing you need after that is a bonded roller. That just allows you to roll the product out over the floor evenly and smoothly, and then it obviously set.
Well, I know my wife has got a bondage roller.
Yeah.
And she's got a spanking paddle.
Yeah, okay.
Is that what we're talking about?
We sell all of that stuff. It's at the back of the shop, though.
No, seriously, do you guys supply this stuff? If somebody wants the bonded roller and they want the mixing paddle?
Yeah, you can buy it from obviously the shop, and apart from that, there's nothing else.
So it's a simple process with no specialist equipment, but anything you do need, if you haven't got it yourself, you can get it from you.
Indeed, yeah.
Perfect.